Hello students. So in our last class we have studied about eyes. The second sense organ that we will study is ears. So ears, it helps us to hear different sound, isn't it? You are able to hear me because of your ears, right? Now ears can be divided into three different parts: outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. The part of ear which you can see, which you can touch, is the outer ear, and it starts with pinna. So this region is our pinna. Now sound waves are collected from the environment by the external ear. So this part will help to collect the sound from the environment, and it is then passed through the ear canal. So this region is the ear canal. So sound waves are collected by the external ear and it is then passed through the ear canal. It will pass through this canal. So this wave, it will vibrate the eardrum. Eardrum is present in the middle ear. In middle ear we have this region called as eardrum. So the sound waves will vibrate the eardrum, and the three tiny bones that is present behind this. So here three tiny bones are also present behind the eardrum. It will vibrate, the sound wave will vibrate the eardrum and the tiny bones. Now this vibration, it will then reach the cochlea, this region. This region is called as cochlea. So this vibration, it reaches the cochlea, which is present in the inner layer, and inside cochlea liquid and air is present. So the liquid and air inside cochlea, it will vibrate. So once this cochlea vibrates, the nerve impulse it will pass to the brain through auditory nerve. So the auditory nerve, this nerve will pass the vibration, will pass the message from ear to the brain. So this nerve is connecting the ear to the brain. So this is how we are able to hear a sound. And apart from hearing, the ear also plays a role in maintaining our body balance. Okay, apart from hearing, it also helps us to maintain the balance. So here you need to remember the three different parts of the ear, and that is the outer ear, middle ear and inner ear, and cochlea is present in inner ear. In middle ear we have the eardrums, and in outer ear we have the pinna and the ear canal. Now let us see how do we take care of our ears. First, do not use sharp object to clean your ears. It may damage the eardrum. So never use the sharp objects to clean your ear. It might damage the eardrums. Use a clean cloth or towel to clean your to clean your ears from outside. So for cleaning your ears from outside, you should always use a clean cloth. See a doctor if you feel pain in the ears. You should always refer to a doctor if you are having any pain in your ears. Dry your ears well after taking bath and after swimming. So water might get inside sometimes, so always dry your ears well after taking the bath or after swimming also. So these are some of the cares that you should follow to take care for your ears.